Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Google Ads series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll be discussing about Google Ads reports. We'll show you how to make Google Ads report practically from Google Ads dashboard. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, let's get to know what is Google Ads report. So you can see over here, the Google Ads reports give you post-click performance metrics for users who clicked on your Google Ads and then came through to your website or installed and started using your mobile app. Okay, so let's see how we can create Google Ads report practically. So you can see I'm one of the Google Ads account of one of my clients. So for making Google Ads report, I need to go to the section called Insights and Reports. So if I scroll down a little bit, I have an option called Report Editor where we can make reports, So we have two options available here, like we can create custom reports, or if you want, you can create predefined reports, So first of all, we'll see how to make predefined reports. Then in the later part of the video, we'll show you how to create custom reports. Okay. So for accessing predefined reports, I need to click on view all. Okay. Perfect. Then you can see we have different options available here. Like if you want, you can create predefined reports on campaigns, ad groups, ad, search keyword, search terms, campaign details, ad group details, audience segments, landing page, expanded landing page. And if you want, you can create predefined reports for retail category like search and shopping. So if you want, you can create reports on any of these topics. Okay. Then next one is time. So if you want to create predefined report on time, like day of the week, day, week, month, quarter, year, hour of the day, so you can do it from here. Okay. Next one is conversion. So if you want, you can create predefined reports on conversion category, conversion action name, conversion source, and store visit. Next is location. So if you want to create reports on location, you can do it from here. And similarly, if you want to create predefined reports on assets legacy, you can do it from here. Like if you want to create call assets legacy, location assets legacy, call details, image asset details, so you can make the reports from here. Okay. Similarly, for assets, you can create predefined reports. Like if you want to create site link assets report, call out assets report, structure snippet assets report, call assets report. So you can easily make it from this section. And next one is auction insights. So if you want to create reports on auction insights like search account, search campaign, search ad group, search keyword, so you can do it from here as well. And the last one is, if you want, you can create reports on free clicks, build cost. Okay. So for the time being, I will show you how we can create predefined reports for campaigns. So I'm going to click on campaign. So you can see over here, those are the campaigns. So we have two options available here, like we have rows and columns. So those are the rows and all the metrics are columns. So if you want, you can customize the rows and columns, So currently we have 3 rows and bunch of columns. So I want to delete other 2 rows, like I want to keep campaign and I want to delete other 2 rows. So for removing or deleting the row, I just need to click on the selected row. Okay, you can see over here, I want to delete campaign state. So I need to click on it. Then you have an option called delete. So I'm going to click on delete. Then you'll not see this selected row available here. So yeah, then I'm going to remove this row as well. So I'll click on it, campaign type, and click on delete. You'll not be able to see campaign type available here. So the only row is selected over here is campaign, So if you want, you can customize the rows. Like if you want to add some rows, you can do it from here. Like if you want to click add group, then you can add the row from here. So for the time being, I'll not be adding any rows. So I want to keep the only row which is campaign. Then we have the column options. So those are the metrics, So I want to see the metrics like clicks, impressions, CTR, average CPC, cost, conversion. So I want to remove view through conversion. So for removing it, I just need to click on it and I'm gonna click on delete. Okay. So I want to keep cost per conversion and conversion rate. Okay, perfect. So you can see the holistic performance of the campaigns available here. Okay, so if you want, you can filter the metrics, like you can filter it. So for example, I want to see those campaigns uh, has got more than 300 clicks. Okay, so I'm gonna write clicks greater than 300 and I'm gonna click on apply. So we'll see those campaign has got the clicks greater than 300 or more than 300. So currently we have two campaigns available. Those have got 300 clicks or more than 300 clicks. Okay, perfect. Then if you want, you can sort those metrics by high to low or low to high. So currently it is selected by high to low. Okay, perfect. So you can do it for uh, the other metrics like impressions, CTR, average CPC, cost, conversions, cost per conversion, conversion rate. Okay, and if you want, you can customize the date range. Like if you want to see the data for last week, like Sunday to Saturday, or last week from Monday to Sunday, and last business week from Monday to Friday, or last 14 days this month, last 30 days last month, or if you want to see the all-time data, you can click on all time. Okay, perfect. So if you want, you can give the report name, like I'm gonna give the report name as Google Ads campaign report. Okay, perfect. Then I'll click on apply. So if you want, you can download the report or you can schedule the report. So if you want to schedule the report, you can do it from here. Okay, so like you want to give the report to your clients on a daily basis, so you can choose daily from this section, and it will uh, it will need to put a time, so you can select any time from there. Okay, so for example, at every 6 p.m. I want to give the report to my client. So which format you want to give? You have different options available here like CSV, Excel, TSV, XML, PDF, PNG. So I'll be selecting CSV, and if you want, you can choose compressed file. Okay, then who do you want to share the report with? Okay, so for the time being, I'm going to choose my email, or you'll be giving your client email, so I'll click on schedule. Then on the daily basis at 6 p.m. I will get the report, or your client will get the report, so you don't need to come to your Google Ads and create manual reports. So you will automatically get your daily report, so this is very effective. So if you want, you can save it, like I'm saving it as Google Ads campaign report. So I'm going to click on save. So the report has been saved. Okay, so this is for the predefined report. So let's see how we can create reports for custom, or how we can create custom reports. So for going to the custom reports, I will go to the Google Ads again. Okay, then from the insights and reports, I'm going to be choosing reports editor, and I'll click on custom. Okay, so you have different options available here like table, tree table, line chart, column chart, bar chart, pie chart, scatter chart. So if you want, you can select any of them. So for the time being, I'm gonna choose table. Okay, so you can see over here your report is currently empty, so I need to select some rows and columns. Okay, so for the time being, I'm gonna choose add group. Okay, so previously we have seen the campaign wise report, so I'll show you how to create add group reports. And in the column section, I'll go to the performance section, and I'm going to be choosing clicks, impressions, maybe cost, CTR, impression absolute top page. Then I'll go to the conversion section. Okay, and I'm going to be choosing conversions, cost per conversions, and conversion rate. Okay, perfect. So you can see over here in the row, we have selected only add group, and in the columns, we have selected some of the metrics like clicks, impression, cost, CTR, impression, absolute top, conversions, cost per conversion, conversion rate. So if you want, you can customize the locations and the columns and rows from this section. Okay, so you can see over here the ad group wise report. Like this ad group has got 21 clicks, impressions, total cost is that much, CTR, impression above of the absolute top page, conversions, cost per conversions, conversion rate. Okay, so if I sort it using conversion, and I'm gonna sort it by high to low, then we'll see the high performance ad group in the first section or in the top section. Like this ad group has got 23 conversions, this ad group has got 7 conversions. So you can customize it as per your requirements, you know. So if everything is okay, then you can name the report as Google Ads ad group voice report. Okay, perfect. Then I will click on apply. So I'm going to click on save. Okay, so if you want, you can download the report and you can send it to your client, or if you want to send the report on a daily basis, you can choose it like today's date, or if you want to give the yesterday's report, then you can choose yesterday and click on schedule, and you need to choose daily report or weekly report or monthly report. So it's up to you that how you handle your clients. So I basically give the daily report, so I choose daily. Then I need to give a specific time, like I want to give the report at most probably 7 p.m. in the evening, and the format is CSV. And if you want, you can choose compressed file, and I'm gonna give the email address of my clients, like I'm putting this email address. Okay, then this is my client email address, so you can put your client's email address, you know. So I'm gonna click on schedule, so he will get the report at 7 p.m. in the evening on a daily basis, you know. So yeah, if you want, you can create Google Ads reports like this way, and you can send the report to your clients, you know. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have a clear understanding on how we can make custom report or predefined report in our Google Ads. Okay, so if you like our video, you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.